How to check your Discover credit score in app. Hey everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So to find your credit score in Discover app, first head over to your Discover mobile app. You can, if you do not have the application, simply install it from your Play Store or your App Store. When the app is loaded, you can see all your accounts and balances. At the very bottom, you should see additional products. Below there is a FICO credit card. Tap on it. You can see your credit card number and when the credit card score is loaded. Below you should see your total account number. It includes installment loans, credit accounts and mortgages. Then there is the length of your credit card history. It includes your oldest account, your newest account and your average credit history. Next comes the number of inquiries. It temporarily impacts your credit score as in a couple of months it becomes less relevant. Then there is revolving utilization. I noticed that even a few percent changes in credit utilization can impact your credit. The last factor is missed payments. It has a long lasting impact on your credit card score or your credit score. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.